Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone, where we explore the latest and most exciting smartphones, and today I'm bringing you a deep, honest, and powerful look at the Realme C71 5G 2026, a device that is clearly designed to shake up the budget 5G smartphone market with style, speed, and serious value. From the moment you pick it up, the Realme C71 5G gives a strong first impression with its modern design language, slim profile, and premium finish that doesn't feel like a budget phone at all. Realme has focused heavily on aesthetics this year, and the clean back panel, stylish camera module, and attractive color options make the C71 5G look far more expensive than it actually is. The front of the phone is dominated by a large immersive display that is perfect for watching videos, scrolling social media, gaming, and everyday use. The high refresh rate makes everything feel smooth and fluid, whether you're swiping through apps or playing fast-paced games. Colors look vibrant, text is sharp, and brightness levels are strong enough for outdoor usage, which is a big win for users who spend a lot of time on their phones. For entertainment lovers, this display alone makes the Realme C71 5G a solid choice in 2026. Performance is another area where Realme has stepped up its game. Powered by an efficient 5G chipset built for speed and stability, the Realme C71 5G handles daily tasks effortlessly. Apps open quickly, multitasking is smooth, and switching between applications feels seamless. Casual gaming runs without issues, and even heavier games are optimized well with stable frame rates. Combined with generous RAM and fast storage, this phone delivers a lag-free experience that most users will absolutely love. The addition of 5G connectivity ensures blazing fast internet speeds, future-proofing the device for years to come. When it comes to cameras, the Realme C71 5G surprises in the best way possible. The primary camera captures detailed and sharp photos in daylight with accurate colors and good dynamic range. Portrait shots have impressive background blur, making your photos look professional and social media ready. Low light performance has also been improved with AI optimization, allowing you to capture brighter and clearer night shots. The front camera is equally impressive, delivering crisp selfies and smooth video calls, making it perfect for content creators, students, and online meetings. Battery life is one of the strongest highlights of the Realme C71 5G. Equipped with a large capacity battery, this phone easily lasts a full day and more on a single charge, even with heavy usage. Streaming videos, gaming, browsing, and social media won't drain the battery quickly, giving users peace of mind throughout the day. Fast charging support ensures that you can quickly top up the battery and get back to using your phone without long waiting times, which is essential in today's fast-paced lifestyle. On the software side, Realme UI feels smooth, clean, and user-friendly. It offers useful customization options, smart features, and improved privacy controls while remaining easy to navigate. Animations are smooth, and the overall experience feels refined and polished. Realme has also focused on optimizing the software to deliver better performance and battery efficiency, which truly enhances the day-to-day user experience. Audio quality is clear and loud, making video streaming and gaming more enjoyable. Connectivity options are strong, with stable network reception, fast Wi-Fi, and reliable Bluetooth performance. Security features like a fast fingerprint sensor and face unlock work accurately and quickly, adding convenience and safety. Overall, the Realme C71 5G 2026 is a powerful all-rounder that delivers outstanding value for money. It combines a stylish design, smooth display, strong performance, reliable cameras, long battery life, and future-ready 5G connectivity into one affordable package. If you're looking for a budget-friendly 5G smartphone that doesn't compromise on quality or performance, the Realme C71 5G is definitely worth considering. For students, professionals, gamers, and everyday users, this phone checks almost every box and stands out as one of the best budget 5G smartphones of 2026. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Smartphone for more latest smartphone reviews, comparisons, and tech updates.